So recently I was kind of sent some makeup, some goodies. I haven't worked with Flower Nose Beauty before, but they have sent me quite a few bits and pieces in the past, and they reached out to me again and asked could they send me some more makeup. I wasn't gonna decline that. If you obviously know about Flower Nose Beauty, it's just very fairy tale inspired makeup. Look at this box alone. It's giving ACOTAR. Spring court. Not having a good makeup day. I've used a brand new product on my base. It's not good. It's a really nice glowy product, but it's just, it hasn't mixed well, and the other products I've applied on my skin haven't layered on top of it well. First up, I'm not going to be using these. I think my base is a wee bit dodgy as it is today. The Midsummer Fairy Tales Collection liquid highlighters. I have two shades here, Fairy Whisper and Pixie Dream. These of course look very pretty, but I'm just... part of me just really wants to try them anyway and see how much we can mess up our base today. Because I obviously am going to be going on with these highlighters. And then the blushes, so I want them to apply nice and give them a chance. This one is in the shade Fairy Whisper. Ooh. Oh my. Can you... This is definitely a multi-chrome. Like lilac, pink, then like a hint of like a minty green. And then this next one is Pixie Dream. There's more of like a golden bronzy hue. Holy fuck. Jesus. So Pixie Dream definitely has like a golden hue, but of like a rosiness to it as well, but also with the shift it's looking lime green. So maybe on the eyes that would look really pretty. Not too sure what I'm going to do on the eyes yet, so I might actually keep these out in case I need a base for something. I don't even want to use these highlighters. They're too pretty. So this one is in the shade Chanting Anthem. So I'm going to go in with Paradise Lost, and this is like a kind of like a rose gold champagne type of colour. It obviously has that really nice pearl shimmer through it. They actually just feel like velvet. Even whenever I was swatching that one on my hand, it just melts into the skin like velvet, and it just feels like satin almost. I'm gonna put a wee bit on my nose with my finger. Because my skin is just, like my base doesn't look in the best at the minute, it's quite textured. So I'm not gonna be blaming it on the highlight. It probably is partly the highlight, but it's just my base is just looking not at its best at the minute. Oh, this is so pretty. What one is this? This is the Strawberry Rococo embossed blush. I'm just on the website at the minute having a wee nosy. It's such a crime going into these blushes and ruining that. These colours are so pretty though. It's actually quite a really bright pink, nearly like a corally colour. Strawberry Rococo Series 5 coloured eyeshadow palette. It's in the shade Star Moon Strawberry. So that's the packaging there. So yeah, I'm thinking these shades here. Then this one is the Fairy Tales Collection. Do you know what it reminds me on? And I don't mean this with any disrespect. Polly Pocket. Like this just reminds me of like something from Polly Pocket. Okay, so just instantly looking at this green shade down here, it's kind of like a teal, like turquoise, light blue. Okay, that was like 3 or 4 different shades I said there. But just looking at this shade alone, with these two shades, I know exactly what I'm going to do. I think I might actually use one of these also as a base for the eyes. I'm going to go for the one that has more of like a golden hue to it. I think that's it there, which is Pixie Dream. And I'm just going to take a couple of dabbles of that and just pop that all over the lid. I did notice on my hand that this stuff does dry down pretty quickly, so you want to work quite quick. I just use a wee bit at a time, and I'm going to be applying that and blending it right up to the upper crease as well. I really need my eyebrows done, by the way, so please ignore that. Whilst that's, is it still tacky? kind of. I'm gonna go into the green. So we're just gonna be using all the shimmers today. I'm also bringing that like right up to the crease as well, by the way. I'm going to take this shade to start with and maybe a wee bit of that, like a khaki or dark green. This is a really pretty shade. So it just a tiny bit, and popping that on the outer corner. Oh, this is looking so good actually. I'm just kind of curious to see how this matte is going to apply on top of the shimmers. It shouldn't be too bad. But just using a fluffy brush and circular motions, just really packing and blending as I go. And just along the lash line and wing it out. I'm going to take the pink and I'm going to just apply this right in the inner corner and also blending it up to the crease, just right in this inner corner here. Back into this palette, I'm going to take the shade here. I'm going to run that along the lower lash line, just at the outer corner. See, because I've applied the dark green at the outer corner, I'm not too sure if you can see or not, but it's actually just looking as if I have 3 colours added to my lids, and this is what I'm wanting, just multi-tonal, because obviously I have the pink and then the green shade, but because I applied the matte shade here and then went over it with the shimmery green, it's kind of gave it a different shift, a different reflect, because it had that matte shadow as a bit of a base, so it's applying differently on top of it now, and it just looks so good. It's looking unreal. I really want to use this purple though, and I don't know where to apply that. That's looking so good. Do you think I could maybe even apply it on top of the pink? Ooh, it's looking so good. I just added a wee bit more of that dark green on my lower lash line, and now I'm going to go back into this wee palette and take this center shade. This would look so much nicer if I didn't have hairy eyebrows, or if I didn't need my eyebrows severely done. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I'm just trying to use as many of these shimmers as I possibly can. I think I've actually used them all, because the rest are mattes. Let me see, I'll just blend this out a wee bit. I'm gonna apply a wee bit more of the purple that's just in the inner corner here. I'm gonna go with a wee bit more green, so this shade here, and just right in the center. I think we're done here. I just, pair of lashes, do you know what it is? I don't want to ruin it. I think we'll just put on a pair of lashes first and see. And then, do you know what I also have here? This is also from like a Chinese, Japanese or Korean brand. I do apologise, I don't know. But it's from the brand ZC. I've never used this before because it's a freaking glitter mascara. What the heck? But I thought, perfect for this type of makeup look. So I might apply that on the lower lash line. Definitely not the upper lashes. I don't think so. Okay, let's put on a wee bit of, oh, I don't want to hate this. I don't want to hate this. No, I don't want to do it, no. No, I'm panicking. No, I'm panicking. I'm gonna lose my job. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. Do you know what it is? The silver, or the glitter silver. So I just don't want it to look silly or something. I don't know. So I'm gonna line my lips. This is Oh Snap from Colourpop. So these are the glowy lip glosses. I have Strawberry Macaroon and Berry Bomb. They're both from the exact same collection, so they are. So let me see. This is Strawberry Macaroon. It's really, really pretty. Oh, it smells yum. There's a bit of shimmer through them as well, by the way. And then this one is Berry Bomb. I'm thinking Berry Bomb. Oh. Berry Bomb. Ooh! I know, good choice. I was expecting, do you know what actually? See, with the other one I'm going to do on the top lip, I thought that these were going to have more of a tint. Oh no, this one has more of a tint. Oh no, I like. See that? Oh, I like. Am I liking a glossy lip right now? The gloss itself is actually quite thick. But it's nice. That colour is, no, that's perfect. I love that colour. That is such a natural everyday lip colour. This is just, this is perfect. The eyes are everything I wanted and more. I will list and link all these products I use down below in the description box for you. Shh, I'm busy. Friggin' postman. This wasn't exactly a review, by the way, just in case you're thinking why I didn't go into too much detail and depth about the products themselves, because I don't know how many videos and makeup tutorials I've actually done with Floor Nose. I think the first time I tried them it was like an in-depth review on the products, but this is like I think my third or fourth video I've done with their products at this point. These colours are definitely giving me spring court vibes. And I'm actually here for it. I'm loving it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.